Are there eco-friendly detergent options for dishwashers? In recent days, many people have been searching for ways to make their homes more environmentally friendly. One area of focus is dishwasher detergents. With growing concerns about the impact of chemicals and plastics, eco-friendly options are gaining attention. So, what are the choices available for consumers looking to reduce their environmental footprint? Yes, there are several eco-friendly dishwasher detergent options available that use plant-based, biodegradable ingredients and avoid harmful chemicals. These products are designed to clean effectively while minimizing environmental impact. Many of these detergents use plant-based formulas that are free from dyes, synthetic fragrances, phosphates, and triclosan. For example, 7th Generation offers a dish soap that is certified by the Environmental Protection Agency as Safer Choice and is also certified by the United States Department of Agriculture as bio-based at 95%. This product uses essential oils and botanical ingredients for fragrance. Detergent sheets are becoming a popular eco-friendly format. Brands like Tinkle provide plastic-free, all-in-one dishwasher detergent sheets made with ingredients such as sodium cocoa sulfate from coconut oil, enzymes like protease and lipase, sodium bicarbonate, and lemon oil. These ingredients are tough on stains but gentle on skin and the environment. Eco-friendly detergents often avoid plastic packaging by offering dissolvable sheets or concentrated tablets that reduce waste. Certifications like Environmental Protection Agency, Safer Choice, and United States Department of Agriculture, bio-based, help consumers identify products with safer chemical profiles and renewable content. Some brands also focus on transparency about ingredients and avoid artificial dyes and fragrances, relying on natural essential oils for scent. By choosing these eco-friendly detergents, households can support efforts to reduce chemical pollution, plastic waste, and exposure to harsh substances while still maintaining clean dishes. Options like plant-based liquids and detergent sheets provide effective cleaning with a lower environmental footprint. As more people become aware of these choices, the demand for eco-friendly products will likely continue to grow.